How to fix the voice mode app not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your voice mode app not working. So watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. But firstly, start by opening your Google Play Store, and on the top search bar what you can do is search for the voice mode app. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Voicemod app on your device. If you have already done so, then you can just long press on the Voicemod app and you will see the eye icon on the top right side. Tapping on the eye icon, go down and tap on the storage option. Now clear all the data and clear all the cache of the Voicemod app. Now what you can do is go to the permission section. Make sure you have allowed all the permission like camera, microphone and notification. And if you have already done so, then you can now open your Voicemod app again and you can see that your app will now work smoothly. So I hope this helps you, and if this helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.